These guys have been in this space for too long, and so we just built a new fence down that way. It's time to move them over. So part of the problem, we've got to move sheep, Paka. He's going with the mama and dada, so he's gonna go to the new spot. And then we also have some mamas over here. All right, filling up their water. Just keep them occupied. We got food. All right, so I got my tools, impact, fence clipper, measuring tape. Tied in, and then we got to retie on that side, but hey, come on over here. I got some hay for you. It's open. Get him a pillow of hay. Come on, bud. Come on over. Hey. Got some hay. There he comes. Come on. Come on. Come here, buddy. Hey. I got some hay for you. Come on. Come on. All right. Occupy him with some hay. Yeah, enjoy that.
Oh, she's looking at you. Here she comes. She's trotting now. She's going quicker. Careful.
All right, well, we moved the cows over. They're hanging out. We got them some hay. They've got some grain, which we don't typically feed unless it's to get them moved somewhere. You know, we condition them to the corn so we can move them so that we don't have to do the whole cowboy roping thing. Makes life a lot easier. So, brand new corral, new space for mama, baby, dada. How you guys doing? It'll be interesting if he figures out how to get out, but it's kind of beefy now, no pun intended. Well, that's that, you guys. Corral part 1 complete. I still got some more fencing to do. All right, God bless.